Welcome to Pixelvestors. If you're ready to learn, remember to like and subscribe.
Your first business was a great success.
But now you have a new problem. To make more profit, you need more cookies. And that takes more time.
There has to be a better way. We shouldn't work harder. We need to work smarter. We can use redstone to build machines that do the work for us. It's called automation.
Precisely. Instead of harvesting wheat by hand, you can build a farm that harvests itself. An excellent plan, Ruby. This machine will generate resources for you. This is known as passive income.
First, we need the right parts.
With the parts ready, it was time to build.
Building a great system takes time and patience.
Intel, but the rewards are worth it.
Here we go.
It works! It actually works! This is the power of automation. The farm is now doing the hard work for you, creating resources without you lifting a finger. This is called passive income. With an automated supply, you can scale your business and make even more profit. By working smarter, not just harder, the team built a system that will help their business grow. That's the power of automation. Now that you have an efficient supply, it's time to master the art of the deal. Next time, we dive into the world of trading. Your new farm gives you plenty of resources. But to truly grow your wealth, you need the best tools. And the best tools have enchantments.
To make our farms even better, we need an Efficiency 5 book. But our enchanting table isn't strong enough.
If you can't make something yourself, there is another way. You can trade for it. Welcome to the marketplace. 30 emeralds. For one book. That's everything we have and more. It's a terrible deal. That is a bad deal, Eric. But the first price you see isn't the only price available. You have to shop around. And remember, emeralds aren't the only thing with value. Different villagers need different things. This is called bartering.
Wait a minute. Our automatic farm makes sugarcane. We can turn sugarcane into paper, and paper into books.
An excellent plan. Now, don't just find any trader. Find a trader who needs what you have.
Good business is about more than just a good deal. It's about building a good reputation.
You see, by thinking creatively and understanding that different people value different things, you can turn something you have a lot of into something you truly need. But that raises a question. Why are some things, like diamonds, so much more valuable than others? That's a lesson for next time. Welcome back, Pixelvestors. We've learned about trading to get valuable items, but it raises a deeper question. Why is this diamond so much more valuable than this block of dirt?
Eric, to understand the answer, you must experience it. Your first mission, bring me a stack of dirt.
Easy, wasn't it? Dirt is everywhere. It is common. Now for your second mission, bring me 1 diamond. Building a business, just like mining, is full of challenges. Not every lead turns into a diamond. The most important skill is resilience. The dirt was easy to get. It is common.
But the diamond
That took time, effort, and was hard to find. It is rare. This is called scarcity. It's this scarcity that gives the diamond its great value. But scarcity is only one part of value. What about usefulness? That's a lesson for next time on Pixelvestors.